Hello, hola. Thank you for joining the Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube channel. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney. And on this channel, we talk about real estate, wholesaling, and ways to crush it with credit cards, debt, finances, and helping you to become a better you. Today, the subject will be what the banks don't want you to know about credit cards. So come on in. If you're over the age of 18, most likely you have a bank account. Most likely you've done some type of loan, some type of banking if you're over the age of 18. And you've also had some type of credit card. So you're pretty familiar with credit cards and interest rates and how all those things work. Today we're going to tell you about what the banks don't want you to know. We all know that banks make big money. Visa net worth is $388 billion. Chase net worth is $428 billion. Navy Federal Credit Union is $111 billion. So we know the banks make money. The majority of the money they are making is coming from interest. Of course, you know, as they give out loans, car loans, home loans, personal loans, business loan, the majority of the money that the banks make comes from interest. So to avoid paying interest, you must pay your balance off every month. So the key factor here is paying your balance off every month with your credit cards. For example, if you have an APR is your credit card rate. If you have an APR of 20 to 30%, it's very easy. You will be paying double for that product or for that item that you purchased to put on the credit card. So try to make sure you pay off your balance as best you can. Well, you say, Rena MoMoney, I don't have the $1,000 that I just put on there, or the $2,000 or the $10,000 that I just put on my credit card. I'm not able to. The secret to it all is to treat your credit cards as if it is your debit card. So before I break that down and go a little further, I want to ask, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. If you have subscribed, please like. I come on this channel 2 times a week to help you crush it in your finances, credit card, real estate, wholesaling, just to make you an overall better person and become a better you. So if you haven't already, I'm definitely going to always be saying something valuable that's going to save you money or make you money. And it helps out my YouTube channel if you like. If you like what I'm saying, please like. If you haven't subscribed, you definitely want to do so, because every week there will be a gem or a nugget to save you money or make you money. I also want you to stay tuned, because I have some boom nuggets on some more credit cards, on some more lenders that's going to help you crush it through this real estate and through this investing, through your business. So if you have a new business or you're a new investor and you're trying to get into real estate or tap into a new business, you have picked the right channel. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I am unable to pick every person that subscribes, but I do randomly select and give you a shout out. Give yourself a hand. Here you go here. Thank you so much for joining. And to my old subscribers, thank you for coming back and educating yourself. Remember, we always say educate yourself, educate yourself. So be sure to go down the Rena MoMoney Plus channel so that you can find videos that's specific to you, that can help you out in crushing in real estate, credit card, lenders, wholesaling, small business, tips and tools to help you out. Make sure you do that. Don't forget. Also look down in the description, because in my description, I have companies that can help you save money on scaling up your business, can help you save money as you go through this journey. So make sure you take some time out and look down in the description and check out these companies that can help you out. Also some resources. And also, I always want to say, if you need help, I'm here. Schedule a coaching call with me at calendly.com/Rena MoMoney. Let's get back into it. What the banks don't want you to know. Let's get back into it. So we last left off saying, try to make sure you pay off your balance as best you can. You want to treat your credit card as if it's a debit card. You say, huh? What do you mean? A card is a card? No. You need to learn about the difference between a credit card and a debit card. If you're over the age of 18, I'm pretty sure you already know it, so we're not going to get into that. If you are in the introductory period of that credit card where you get 0% APR for 12 months or 18 months, some banks are giving 18 months, and I think we talked about a few, and I have another one that's doing 18 months too that I'm going to share with you on the video. But if you're in that introductory period, then it's okay to carry over a balance. So if your credit card limit is $10,000 and you just got it, you have, and I'm talking about gems of credit cards all the time on this channel, because I'm releasing that gem on every video, either a lender or a credit card. Treat your credit cards like they're debit cards. The big secret is not to carry over a balance, but if you have to, if it's a 0% APR, then it's okay because you're not paying anything for 12 months or 18 months, whatever they gave you. A lot of companies are in competition with each other, so they're doing 18 months of no annual percentage rate and also a $0 annual fee. So in other words, what the bank don't want you to know, they don't want you to know about saving interest. They don't want you to know that you can get over on them by paying it off every month, and or if in the introductory period, carrying it over but making sure you pay it off, because they get paid on interest. The more you are in debt, the more the banks make. Keep that in mind. The more you're in debt, the more the banks make. So when they say credit cards are bad, that's only if you continue to carry over balance, because you'll wind up paying so much money for it. And if your credit score is low, your interest rate is high. So keep that in mind. Credit cards can help you with your credit. Credit cards can help your credit score as long as your utilization is low. You say, Rena MoMoney, what's utilization? Utilization is how much you utilize of that credit. For example, if you have a $10,000 credit card, you want to keep your utilization 10% under if possible. I usually say 20% because after 20% it starts to affect your credit score, but anything under 10% is even better. Your utilization is considered low. Some banks, when they're looking at granting you credit, whether it's for a car loan or some other loan, they look at your utilization on your credit cards. So if you have a $10,000 credit card, don't put $8,000 on it. Keep it under 10%, which means you want to keep it under $1,000, for example. Also, another great thing with the credit cards, you want to always capitalize on the rewards, the cash back, the free travel, the bonuses. Those are some of the pertinent great points about having credit cards, building your credit, and capitalizing on those rewards. The nugget for today that I want you guys to check into, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not advising you to go get these cards, but I'm giving you this information to help you and help you with your finances. That's what this is about. Boom, boom, nugget. Figure.com. Figure.com. Figure basically have personal credit products. It's not so much into business credit product. They offer different services, personal loans up to $50,000, mortgage equity line of credit. Figure is a great way to get a personal loan, installment loan based on your credit. Sign up for auto pay and you can earn bonuses. Get pre-qualified online, so you don't have to worry about you can get pre-qualified online. You can get approval in minutes. Just click finding my rate. The rates are from 5.7% all the way up to 23%. Of course, that'll depend on your credit. And you can use these funds for most purchases. Figure also offer 3-year fixed term, 5-year fixed term. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate will be. In some cases, depending on your situation, depending on your credit, depending on your history, but depending on your cash flow, you may have to provide additional information after being approved, but it is a soft pull, which means it won't go against your credit until after you accept. And once you accept, then it's a hard pull, and it's only available in certain states. So it's not available in every state. Some of these boom boom nuggets I give you, they're available in every state, but figure.com is not available in every state. Look on the website to see if your state qualifies and take it from there. All right, I have another boom boom nugget for you. Again, you got to always stay to the end on the Rena MoMoney Plus, because I give out boom boom nuggets. I give out valuable information that's going to help you crush it in getting yourself together. So like me if you like me, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, great. Make sure you always come back and make sure you stay to the end. That second boom boom nugget is basically if you've been turned away from traditional banks. So if you have bad credit and you've been denied this year and you need to get started, OppFi. You can get OppFi. It's a loan and you can get up to $4,000 online. The minimum is $500. So keep that in mind. Opploans.com. OppLoans.com. OppFi loans are not for everyone. You want to take some time out, look it up, and see if it's best for you. It's meant to be paid back quickly. The credit score minimum is 600. A 600 credit score is okay. Click on your state online. Funds within 1 day. So this is a good one if you have this situation. So OppFi, check that out. So OppFi is quick and easy, and OppFi is mainly a personal loan. Now you can also get a credit card. The credit card for OppFi is 35.99%, which is extremely high, and they also have a $99 annual fee. So make sure that you qualify in your state for OppFi. that's what I have for you. I hope this was helpful information. Again, you want to come back. I post 2 times a week, and I'll see you on the next one. The next one, we'll talk about some more real estate. We'll always have gems and boom boom nuggets, and we'll always give a shout out to the new subscribers and thank the old subscribers. That's what you're in for when you come on the Rena MoMoney Plus channel. So thanks again, and you take care.